What's up guys, welcome back to What's in the Shop Wednesday. My name is Luke from Blackout, Tinting, Gibsonia, here to show you what's in the shop. First up, we have a brand new 2021 Tesla Model S. This is in for XPEL paint protection film on the rocker panels. Over here we have a Subaru Legacy in for XPEL Prime CS window tint on all the side windows and the back window. Let's go check out what's inside. Over here we have a 2014 Ferrari 458 Italia. This customer had a full front already installed on their vehicle from a different installer. We took off their work and are applying a full wrap to the vehicle. We have a 2010 BMW 5 Series. This has a lot of micro swirls and micro scratches on it from improper washing from the previous owner. The new owner wants to take care of those, so we're doing a full paint correction on all the paint. Next to the 5 Series is a Chevy Blazer. This is in for a XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. We have a Ford Mustang GT in for full XPEL Prime window tint on all the side windows and the back window. Mitsubishi Outlander. This was in last week for some XPEL paint protection film. Customer decided to leave it here into this week to get fully ceramic coated with XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. Let's shoot it back over to Isaiah in Latrobe.
That was awesome, Luke. Thanks for the update for Gibsonia. You know, it's very exciting to see what's going on over there. And speaking of, a lot of our workers are actually up there helping to get things moving, keeping that momentum going. But in the meantime, we'll take a look at what we have here and let's go take a walk. Got a beautiful Porsche Boxster here. In for a couple things that we do provide. It's going to be getting the full front clip taken care of with paint protection film, as well as the A-pillars and the rockers. Once that's completed, it's up next for the XPEL Fusion ceramic coating, and it's going to look amazing by the time we're done. Then our good friend Ed Barbish brought us yet another vehicle. It's here for an exterior wash, you know, clean off all the mud. And then we also tinted the interior in a nice 20% shade, give him a little bit of privacy, but also keep things nice and practical for him. This Silverado is in for its 2-week wash. We did a ceramic coating for it a little over 2 weeks ago. It's back in just so we can make sure everything's performing well, and it's doing pretty good so far. You know, regardless of what I am wearing now, shorts, a shirt, it's actually very cold outside. At least a lot of people feel that way. And this Tacoma and this Town and Country van, both of these were in for a remote start, allowing them to, you know, warm things up before they enter their vehicle. Z71 Silverado. It's here for a gold package. It's all polished, looking beautiful. Coating process is almost done. Pretty soon it'll be ready to go back home to the customer. This Challenger here to my side might look a little familiar. We did a full stealth wrap for it. It's that nice gunmetal gray pretty much, and now it has a satin finish. It is back, and we're going to do our Fusion ceramic coating for it. Help kind of keep things nice, make it a lot easier for him to wash, maintain, and just have an overall easier time taking care of the vehicle in and of itself. Got here a beautiful 69 Chevelle SS in for a full paint correction, clean up everything, make it look as perfect as possible, and then we're going to do a Fusion coating on that as well. Seems to be the recurring trend here this week, which is a beautiful thing to see. I don't know if you've seen any of these before, but the Kia Tellurides are pretty nice looking vehicles. Inside has a nice wood accent trim pieces. This one, even in particular on the back, has DVD players as well. Very cool vehicle, but it's also here for something else. We are doing a ceramic silver package to this. 5-year warranted coating. Polishing's done. It's pretty much coated, just curing at this time, and then we're just doing a little basic cleanup for the inside for them too. We have T hard at work here, doing the fronts of this Mazda, I think it's a CX-9. It's hitting the front to match the rear section. Looks like you're pretty much done, huh, T? Yeah, thanks for talking. I appreciate that. I hope you didn't think I was going to let you guys go without being able to see Josh. And fortunately, I'm not. Josh, what's going on at SEMA?
What's up, guys? I'm not in the shop this week, but I am at SEMA, so check out what's behind me. This is, of course, at the XPEL booth. I'm going to flip the camera on for you. So this is the coolest booth in XPEL. I'm sorry, at SEMA. It's the XPEL booth. But look what's here. We've got a Bugatti Divo, fully wrapped front to back in paint protection film from XPEL, the guys at Protective Film Solutions. This is what's in the shop. Michael Dobbins is also what's in the shop this week.
Guys? Welcome to the XPEL SEMA booth. We're glad to have you.
Yes. How much is this car worth?
This car is currently valued at $6.75 million.
Is that it?
Did you say million? Million.
Yeah.
6.75 million.
I'm going to take you guys around to the other side of the booth as well. And of course, XPEL's not the only thing here. This is one hall. There are 5 of them. There's so much stuff going on at SEMA. I could film all day, but we wanted to give you a little bit of a glimpse of what's going on here with our friends at XPEL. We've got a Porsche 911 992. And they're showing off their new black paint protection film. So it is PPF, but it's black, and the reflection is beautiful. Unlike vinyl where you get some of that texture in it, it looks like paint. So that's what's going on at SEMA this week.
Thanks again for your support, guys. We always appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up, like, comment. What would you like to see next in our future videos? Let us know. As always, take care now.